Move. The Move button is located in the right-hand sidebar under Edit Color FX. Here you will find the movement control for all spotlights that can display movement. To set movement, the respective spotlight or spotlight group must be selected again. There are 4 faders in this view. 2 faders for the movement axes pan and tilt, i.e. horizontal and vertical, as well as 2 controllers for fine control. To the right is the position field, which can also be used to change the spotlight position. If you press Zoom at the top right, the position field enlarges for easier operation. The speed control is located on the far right. This fader can be used to adjust the motor speed of the spotlight. We recommend that you only use this control for simple movements and only use it carefully for movement effects. The movement effects are shown in the lower section. Here you can use the pan and tilt controls to set the apex of the movement. Range influences the size of the movement. The delay control describes the delay of the movement between several devices. If, for example, several head-moving spotlights are played with the same movement effect, the delay with which the next spotlight starts the movement can be set here. To see the effect of the change settings, use the Restart button.